Hello and welcome to IDL Academy once again. Dear listeners, have you ever wondered or have you ever come across some words that sound difficult or you were unable to understand them? For example, did someone ask you when you went there, what brings you here? And you were like, what does this sentence mean? So, such expressions are called idiomatic expressions, or we call them in simple words idiom. And Urdu, we call them mawrat, or in some cases, we also call them zarbul misal. Now, what are idioms or what are idiomatic expressions? Idioms are used to make our language more attractive or fascinating, and these idioms do not have or do not give or do not express literal meanings, like they do not express word to word meaning or they do not express dictionary meanings. Words might be different and their meanings would be completely different or opposite. So you have to understand them, rather you should not go behind the words as per their meaning or as per their dictionary meaning, or we call it literal meaning. So words might be different and the meanings would be different. Let's explore some interesting and easy idioms. The first one we have is over the moon. Now what is over the moon? Over the moon means बेहद खुश होना, when you are very happy, or in other words we can say overjoyed. So you can use this idiomatic expression to express your happy feelings, like I am overjoyed, I am overexcited, or you can say I am over the moon. And the second is once in a blue moon. Now once in a blue moon is used for kabhi kabhar, or in English we say rarely, less frequently, or in Urdu we can say shazo nadir, something or someone who visits somewhere once in a blue moon. Like there are some students who do not attend their classes regularly, they just attend their classes once in a blue moon. So we can use this idiomatic expression to make our language more interesting and charming. The third one we have is a hard nut to crack. Now we have a very simple way to say something. For example, we say it's a difficult task to do or difficult for me to do. If you want to sound different, if you want to sound more fascinating, then you can use this idiom replacing the word difficult or the difficult task. You can say it was a hard nut to crack for me. I was unable to do it, because it means the same. Behad mushkil kaam. Something that is difficult, something that is difficult to do. Then we have is spill the beans. Spill the beans means ras fash karna, to reveal a secret. When you reveal a secret, so you have a little word like you can say he revealed his secret or she revealed a secret. So if you want to use idiom, you can use this idiom in place of the word reveal, someone's secret. You can say spill the bean. Then we have the word to face the music. Now to face the word music does not mean गानों का सामना करना. अगर आप लिटरली इसको देखेंगे वर्ड टू वर्ड, अगर आप इसकी ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो यही होगा ना कि गानों का सामना करना, बिकॉज फेस इज सामना करना, म्यूजिक गाने. So they don't have literal meaning. Their meanings are opposite or different. For example, to face the music means नताइज का या मुश्किलात का सामना करना. And then we have the word to add fuel to the fire. To add fuel to the fire means मसले को मजीद बिगाड़ना, मसले को मजीद खराब करना. और in simple words you can say जलती हुई आग में तेल डालना, उसको मजीद भड़काना, like किसी के जख्मों पर नमक छिड़कना. There are many people who try to add fuel to fire. मजीद मसले को बढ़ाते हैं बजाय मसले को हल करने के. और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे मुल्क में ऐसे लोग नहीं हैं जो मसले को बढ़ाते हैं. हमारे लोग तो मसले को सुधारने की कोशिश करते हैं. Let's move to the next. We have is a fair weather friend. Now a fair weather friend is used for मतलबी दोस्त. ऐसा दोस्त जो आपके अच्छे वक्त का साथी है, अच्छे वक्त में आपके साथ है, लेकिन जब बुरा वक्त आए आप पे, so you don't find that friend. So we can call him or her a fair weather friend. Then we have the next idiom, which is all weather friend. Now all weather friend is opposite to a fair weather friend, which means सच्चा दोस्त, अच्छा दोस्त, यानी हर वक्त का दोस्त. चाहे अच्छा वक्त आपका हो, बुरा वक्त हो, he or she is always there for you. So we can say he is my all weather friend. And then we have like a fish out of water. Now you can gauge its meaning from the word. Like a fish out of water means मछली पानी से बाहर नहीं. It means a person who is very anxious, a person who is very, for example, disturbed regarding something or on something. In Urdu we can say बेचैन होना, बहुत ज़्यादा बेचैन होना. Like if a friend of yours is, for example, looking very anxious, looking very disturbed or perplexed, you can ask him or her, why are you like a fish out of water? And then we have bite the bullet. Now, bite the bullet does not mean ke bite the bullet, okay, कि गोली निकलना या कोई मेटल खाना. It means मुश्किलात का बहादुरी से सामना करना. Okay, for example, he had to bite the bullet after his failure in examination. So I hope you understood these easy idiomatic expressions. For more such interesting idioms and words, stay connected. Thank you so much.